Welcome to room 3413, which is a larger double room with sea view and balcony in the Hotel BAIA LARA. In this spacious room, you will find it is perfect for up to 4 guests, offers stunning sea views from your private balcony. Inside, you'll find a king-size bed, an extra bed, and a sofa bed for comfort. The room is equipped with modern conveniences like Wi-Fi, a minibar, and tea and coffee making facilities, ensuring you have everything you need. Air conditioning is available from April to November, depending on the weather. The minibar in your room is restocked daily for added convenience. At Hotel BAIA LARA, indulge in buffet breakfast, lunch, and dinner, plus themed buffets and late breakfast options. Snacks are served at set times, and you'll enjoy a variety of local and imported drinks. Please note, outdoor restaurants and bars close between 1st November and 31st March. With 7 pools, including an adults-only option, and an aqua tower with 9 water slides, this is the ideal spot to relax. Whether by the pool, at the beach, or dining at one of the a la carte restaurants, your perfect getaway awaits in Antalya.